Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at using the sine rule to find unknown angles, and the process is very similar. The only difference is we invert the rule so that we have the angles part of our formula on top instead of on bottom, and that makes our algebra a bit easier when we're solving it. So in this example we're looking for angle theta, which is this angle in here, and our angles have already been labelled, so we simply have to label our sides the lowercase letter so that we match up our formula correctly. So writing out the formula here, we have sine, I'm going to write b over little b equals sine a over little a, and the order of writing it differently will hopefully become apparent as we go through this problem. So now I'm going to substitute in our things for our variables. So instead of b, I'm going to write theta, which is the unknown angle we are looking for. And instead of little b, we've got 6. And then instead of big A, we've got 65. And then instead of little a, we've got 8. And so solving this for theta, we're going to start by timesing both sides by 6. So our 6's cancel out on that side. And we're left with sine theta equals 6 sine 65 divided by 8. And now we want to get theta by itself, so what we're going to do is take sine inverse of both sides. And sine inverse cancels out with sine, so all we're left with is theta. And sometimes to make your working easier, you might work out this thing inside the brackets first. So let's do that. So we have 6 sine 65 divided by 8, so that's 0.680, 0.680, and even though I've written that down in my working, when I work out inverse sine, I'm actually going to use the answer key, because the answer key recalls it exactly. So I'm going to go shift sine inverse, shift answer key, and that will give me a precise sine inverse, which gives me 42.82 degrees, or 42.8 degrees. So in this case, theta equals 42.8 degrees. Okay, so just be aware of those accuracy issues when you're working with your calculator. But once again, it's a case of simply substituting into a formula to get a result. And you have 3 exercises to work through there on pages 163 to 166.